Tell me what's happening here today, please.
Today, really what we want to do is just get the community out to time to fellowship and to just get everybody aware of, breast cancer is real. It happens to real women and men, and we just want to get that education out to them.
And what are you doing here today?
Today we're going to have a couple of our doctors are going to get up to talk about breast cancer statistics. They're going to talk about breast health, what each woman needs to do to take care of her breast. And we're also going to give out information about public assistance for women who do not have insurance. There are programs that will pay for them to get their annual screening mammograms.
So this is a collaboration between who?
Tuskegee Medical and Surgical Center. We're owned by Community Hospital and Macon County Health Authority.
Okay, very good. So now, what do you want people who's not here today, but will see the television presentation, what do you want them to know about this situation?
We just want them to know that put your health first. Make sure you get out, get your screenings done. If you find that you're having a problem, don't conceal it. Go to your primary care provider, let them know, and they can get the ball rolling on getting your treatment, because early detection is the best protection.
But some people are just scared. How do you encourage people to dispel that fear?
As with anything, instead of sharing your bad experience, a lot of women come in for their mammograms and they're so nervous from what someone else has told them. And by the time that I've talked to them and got them to relax, they're like, this is all this was? It wasn't as bad as I thought. So come in and get your experience for yourself. Don't go off what you hear. Go off of what you experience in your exam.
Absolutely excellent. Anything else you want to say?
Nothing. I just want everybody to just make sure if you're not coming here to get your mammograms every year, there are tons of mammography facilities all over the state of Alabama. Get your mammograms. There's no reason for no woman to not get her mammogram.
Well, we are just having a reception. We are inviting the community in to raise awareness of breast cancer and how we can eliminate that, hopefully, through precautionary measures, and hopefully to raise awareness so that we can get more interest in research.
You guys are doing a very good job of extending health care in this community, and that is very good. What inspired your company to do this?
Well, Community Hospital in Tallahassee has been a part of the Tuskegee and Macon County community for over 30 years. And they just have a commitment here to Macon County. And in little bits and pieces, we're hoping to be able to increase the services that we have with the help of the Macon County Health Care Authority, and to be able to offer more services, and hopefully we'll be able to soon extend our hours.
What or who inspired you all to come to this community to care and give service about this community?
Well, Dr. Robert Story started all of this. He is a Tuskegean. He is from Tuskegee, was born and raised here, and this has been his desire. And when John Andrews Hospital closed, he contacted Community Hospital about coming in and becoming a part of this, and they came on board, and they joined services and forces, and we've been doing it ever since.
Well, very good, and I appreciate all of the initiatives you guys put forward in this community.
Well, thank you very much. We're very excited.
Today we are having the Bling the Bra reception and contest. And what we were trying to do is bring awareness to breast cancer. October is Breast Cancer Month, and we wanted to bring awareness to that here in Macon County. So we've asked different young ladies and organizations to submit a bra that they've blinged out in recognition of breast cancer. And we're asking the community to come and vote for their favorite bra. So today we're going to count the votes and announce the winner. In addition to that, we're going to have a training session here as well and provide basic information about breast cancer and prevention. We're going to show women today how to do self-breast exams, how often they should do them, and get basic information on what the process should be that they should follow every year. For instance, women should have an annual mammogram test, and we do provide those here at the Thomas Reed Center here in Macon County. And in fact, We have tested over 700 women so far, and of those 700, we identified 60 that had some type of anomaly, and we're able to address it in the early stages of
Why are
breast
you giving
cancer.
her a check?
I'm presenting it to the Macon County Health Authority to show my support not only for their Bling The Bra contest, but just to do a small part to say financially I want to help.
I understand that you are a board member for the Macon County Health Care Authority.
Yes, I am.
And you know, you guys are doing some beautiful stuff now. So what is this today that you're involved in?
Oh, today we are honoring our breast cancer survivors, and we are remembering our breast cancer survivors who have gone on. And we are trying to get the community together for the breast cancer awareness and letting women, even men, know that you can you can make a difference by just getting yourself screened, getting a mammogram, getting a breast self-exam or a clinical exam. This is so important that we will keep ourselves healthy and strong for our community.
But you really don't have to be doing this. Why are you doing it?
We're doing it because our mammogram here, we are so pleased to have the mammography department. Pretty soon our mammography, the monies that we need to keep the mammography machine going will soon, the ladies will not be able to get it because the insurance and all the benefits that the mammography has gone digital, and we are not in the digital yet. We haven't become digital. We will need more funding to keep it here, and we need it here in Macon County. Macon County is one of the highest, have the highest count of breast cancer, and we want to keep that number down. We want to make sure that women become be screened for this.
Now, what do you encourage then the community to do? Is there anything that we can do?
Well, we need their support. We're getting ready to launch something so that we could raise funding so that we can get that $150,000 that we need to get the machine upgraded so that we can do the digital and see these people in our community, Macon wide, and those adjoining counties can come and get a mammogram. And boy, that'll keep the incident of breast cancer down. We'll catch it at the earliest, hopefully at the earliest, so that they wouldn't have to go through so many treatments. So we are really hoping that Macon County will come out and support this, and you'll be looking for more things in the future.
And a little prayer will help, right?
Oh wow, we need all the prayers that we can get. That's the first and uppermost.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.